Hey y'all, welcome to Cuppy's Crochet. And before I forget, please like and subscribe to my channel and ring my bell for all notifications anytime I upload videos. And let's jump right in with what we're going to be making today, which is going to be a cute little koozie, cup koozie. And I'm using 4 worsted weight yarn. I love this yarn because I really do love this yarn. A size 4.25 millimeter or G hook. I use this for a stitch marker because it's so easy to get in and out. And a yarn needle for the end. So let's jump right in with a slip knot. And you don't want to make your tail very long because this is going to reduce sewing. If you prefer to sew yours in, I don't. So I make my chain kind of short but long enough to where I know it won't come out. And let's get started with chain 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And keeping your yarn straight, you're going to slip stitch into the very first chain. And chain 1. Now round 1 is complete. Let's move on to round 2. We are going to single crochet into that same place where we did our slip stitch and single crochet, and in the next we're going to double crochet. Double. I'm crocheting really tight. I always do, but tighter than usual. Single crochet in the next, and double crochet in the next. And I'm going to go ahead and place my stitch marker. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to keep going over my tail. So single crochet in the next, and double crochet in the next. And we're going to repeat that pattern all the way around. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to repeat that all the way around for a total of 35 stitches. And I will meet you back at the stitch marker for round 3. I don't know why my camera goofed on me, or if it even did, but it made a weird noise, so I probably need to plug it in. So anyway, round 2 was single, double, end on single. Round 3, double, single, end on double. And you're going to work this continuous pattern until you get to round 13, not row, R-O-U-N-D. Close enough. And I will meet you back here for the end of round 13 to finish off. Alright, here I am on the very last round. So, going ahead and putting in my last 2 stitches. So that'll be 34 and 35. And I'm going to cut my yarn. And going into the last stitch, I'm just going to slip stitch and pull that tail out. Threading up our yarn needle. And sewing it in through the next. And you can do this any way you want. I'm just doing it this way because right here on the end, see how you'll have a little nub left? Pull that tight. And then I'm going to go back up the other direction. Whoops. And of course, that wants to come out. Ooh. And up back through. And I don't really know if I'm sewing this in too much or not enough. But some of y'all are probably gonna say, that's too much. But I'd rather sew in too much than not enough and it come out. So now I'm gonna grab my cup off camera. Got it on there. Ta-da! And I like how this little pattern goes like that. There's no twisting, it just does it on its own. Oops. Trying to keep it good and covered here because I don't want the logo showing and me getting in trouble. But anyway, I think that came out really cute. And if you've been following along with my other videos of my little cup cozies, normally I would call them a koozie, but this I would call a cozy, because especially in the wintertime, you're grabbing a hot cup, and this is gonna help you to not burn your hands. And coffee, for whatever reason, whenever you're drinking coffee, I always have like a little bit come down here. I don't know why that happens. Coffee and milk, it does the same thing. And here's the other one that I made. 2 different patterns, not much different, but they are 2 different patterns. And then the basket weave. And I'm probably gonna try to figure out one more just so I can have a set of 4. Although I think I've got plenty made because I've done a bunch of different colors. And there's a set of 3 in that one, and I've got blue. I've got, oh my goodness. Here we go. There's even more in those colors. And then I have these. And then the brown, light brown ones. And last but not least, these ones. And I still feel like I'm missing a set somewhere because I thought I did dark brown. I guess I didn't. But anyway, I have sets of 3s in all these colors. And I want to do one more just so it'll be even. No, I'm not going to use all these. I'm working on a craft fair, so I want to have plenty of options, and whatever doesn't sell will be gifted, whether it be to my family members for Christmas. Surprise! For anyone that is a part of my family and watches my channel, I thank you and I appreciate it. But if there's any extra left over, then I know where they're going. That's for, you know, just some things I don't like to say, but I donate a lot to those that need it, I'll say. But anyway, I'll see you again as soon as I can, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and for all upcoming videos I post. I'm new, I'm still learning, I'm trying here, and I get tongue-tied whenever I'm talking to people. But anyway, hit the little bell for all future videos so you'll get a notification. All of my social media links, not all of them but most, are up top on my banner if you want to check me out there, and feel free to get in touch with me. Let me know what you think of my videos, and I thank you at 2 o'clock in the morning. That's probably another reason why I'm all out of sorts. But anyway, thank you for joining me, and have a great morning, noon, night, whatever time it is in your neck of the woods. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.